Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. As you continue to breathe deeply, close your eyes and visualize yourself surrounded by abundance and prosperity. Imagine that you are surrounded by all the wealth and abundance that you desire. See yourself living in a beautiful home, driving a luxurious car, and enjoying all the material possessions that you have always wanted. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and abundance as you hold this vision in your mind. As you continue to visualize yourself living a life of prosperity, repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am worthy of abundance and prosperity. I am open and receptive to all the wealth and abundance that the universe has to offer. I am grateful for all the abundance and prosperity that is coming into my life. I am capable and deserving of achieving financial success. Take some time to fully immerse yourself in this visualization and the feelings of abundance and prosperity. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you go about your day, continue to hold the vision of abundance and prosperity in your mind and repeat the affirmations to yourself.